afternoon, boys and girls. Today we're going to be looking at place value word and standard form to the 100,000s. So the first number we're going to look at is 132,657. So I am going to go ahead and draw my place value chart. I mark my places and label them. I have my ones, my tens, my hundreds, my thousand, my 10,000, and my 100,000. So then I put my number in the place value chart. It's 132,657. And that's how I sounded out to find out what words that I'm going to use to write this number. So I start in the thousands period and I go 132,000. Then I go to my ones period. I start in the hundreds. 657. And all I did here is I sounded out the number and I used those words to write the number in word form. Okay, so let's move on to the next number. This number we're going to write in word first and then change it to standard. So my number is 258,000. And I have my comma. 143. Okay, same thing here. I'm going to draw my place value chart. I mark my places. I have my ones, my tens, my hundreds, my thousands. I put my comma in, my 10,000s, and my 100,000s. Now I'm going to use the word form to put my number in my place value chart. So I look here, 258,000. So I know I'm going to start here in my thousands period. So I know 258,143. So that tells me what my number is in standard form. 258,143. Let's look at a couple more examples. So my next number, we're going to write in standard form and move to word form.
Miss Seuss, would you please call the front?
Okay, we're going to continue. Our number is 437,651. This number we're going to write in Word. So I draw my place value chart. I mark my places and then I label them 1's, 10's, 100's, 1000's, 10,000, and 100,000. Then I put my number in the place value chart, 437,651. And then I start writing it just like I say it. So 651. Okay, let's move on to our last example, and we're going to go from word to standard. So our number is going to be 619,000 comma 257. So I'm going to draw my place value chart. I'm going to mark my places and then label my places. So I have my 1's, 10's, 100's, 1000's, comma says 1,000, 10,000, and 100,000. Okay, so I start back here and I read 619,000. So I know I'm going to be in the thousands period. So I go 619,257. So now I've made my number into standard form. So I have 619,257. Okay, boys and girls, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to your teacher, and we will help you with place value to the 100,000s.